Does the virus spreads by using pirated software or not?
Infected?
Yes. Does the virus spreads by using pirated software or not?
Yes, infected
Yes.
software.
So what does pirated means?
I was absent yesterday.
Muskan, I'm asking you, keep your hands up like this, like a bunny. Yeah. Okay. What does pirated means?
Infected?
No, wrong answer. Till the time you get the right answer है त्यति बेसम्म हजुरका हात चाहिँ माथि नै हुनुपर्छ एन्सर थाहा नभएसम्म है पाइरेटेड भने एन्सर थाहा नभएसम्म ओके सफल तिमल सिन्हा
Yes, sir.
ओके your turn है what does pirated means
Sir, pirated means the copy of the original one, the copying of the original one illegally.
illegally okay the copying of ओरिजिनल त्यो भनेको सफ्टवेयरहरू चोरेको अनअथोराइज वेमा चोरेको जे पनि चोर्न सकिन्छ जस्तो कि अनअथोराइजली मुभीहरू त्यस्तो गर्न सकिन्छ सफ्टवेयर पनि नसोधिकिनै क्र्याक गरेर चलाइन सकिन्छ फिफाको पनि हामीले 10,000 5,000 रुपिस गरेर किन्न पर्ने गेम के गर्न सकिन्छ क्र्याक गरेर फिफा एकैचोटि खेल्न सकिन्छ यस सो त्यस्तोलाई के
Yes.
भनिन्छ त पाइरेटेड सफ्टवेयर भनिन्छ ओके गुड सफल okay I want to ask you one more question to shuffle hey before that hey wait hey shuffle don't mute yourself hey okay muskan what does pirate bhane ke rahecha pirated bhane ke rahecha muskan
Copying of files without illegally without any permission.
okay you can keep your hands down muskan keep your hands down okay now for shuffle hey uh, uh, uh. what is antivirus shuffle
Sir, antivirus softwares are the program designed to detect and remove the virus from the computer system.
okay what does detect means detect bhaneko ke ho
Sir, search for other virus.
स्क्यान भनेको चाहिँ सर्च हो स्क्यान भनेको खोज्नु डिटेक्ट भनेको के हो वाट डज डिटेक्ट मिन्स वाट डज एन्टी मिन्स एन्टी भाइरसमा जुन एन्टी छ नि एन्टी भनेको के हो
Sir, opposite of a thing.
ओके अपोजिट गुड है अपोजिट भनेको ठिक छ बट डिटेक्ट भनेको मिनिङ मिलेन है एन्टिभाइरस इज अ सफ्टवेयर द्याट इज डिजाइन टु स्क्यान भनेको खोज्नु डिटेक्ट भनेको भेट्टाउनु एन्ड रिमुभ भनेको हटाउनु कम्प्युटर भाइरस फ्रम द कम्प्युटर डु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड सफल
Yes, sir.
Okay Suhan your turn hey keep your hands up Suhan like this like a bunny so that you don't touch your copies okay so I can ask you question from anywhere okay iPad can you rename yourself you have to give your proper names so that I can call you okay write the medium okay tell me the mediums through which the virus spread hune mediums first tell me what means medium
Pirated software.
medium भने के हो
Sir means ways.
ways है के ways बाट के को through बाट के को via बाट सर्छ okay tell me
Sir, question.
what are the mediums to which the computer virus spreads
Sir, pen drive.
pen drive one
Infected physical.
no
devices.
medium I'm just asking medium that is pen drive okay pen drive बाट सर्न सक्छ अनि अरु
Pirated software.
pirated
games,
software okay अनि pirated games
and
इन्टरनेट मेजर होइन र सबैभन्दा धेरै भाइरस त इन्टरनेटबाट गेम डाउनलोड गर्दाखेरि सर्च हुन्छ इन्टरनेट मेजर होइन र
sir, email.
email internet okay keep your hands down Swan okay the next question goes to Sakit okay ready Sakit
Yes, sir.
okay can you tell me tell me what is polymorphic virus Sakit
Polymorphic virus. Polymorphic virus is the type of virus that
Keep your hands up so that I can be very sure that you are not turning your copies. Yeah. Keep your hands up. Yeah.
Virus is the type of virus that makes the modified version of itself to detection from antivirus.
Again, tell me.
Sir, question.
What is polymorphic virus?
Polymorphic virus is the type of virus that modified version of itself
Yeah.
to detection from antivirus software.
Okay, wait. Hey, keep your hands up only. So your answers are there, but still, there is syntactic error. Syntactic error means grammatical error, right? तर पनि I want to ask you one more thing, है बुझ्या छ कि छैन भनेर. What is polymorphic virus मा दुईटा वर्ड छ, एउटा पोली भन्ने छ, अर्को morphic भन्ने छ. What does poly means?
Poly means many.
Many. Morphic means what?
छुप्नु.
Wrong answer. So wait until you know the answer, है. Wait, है. जबसम्म answer थाहा पाउँदैन है, म फेरि वापस आउँछु है. Imon, keep your hands up. Sakit, keep your hands up so that. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Imon, ready? So what does poly mean?
Sir.
Poly bhane kyo?
Poly?
Have you heard polygon?
Yes, sir.
Triangle, polygon, poly bhane चाहिँ के हो नि?
Yes, sir.
What does
Sir, poly? Sir, poly भनेको
That means you were not attentive. Sakit already gave the answer. Poly भनेको के हो भनेर Sakitले answer दिइसकेको छ.
हो र सर मैले सुनेन के राम्ररी.
So you need to keep your hands up.
Sir,
keep your hands up. Keep your hands up like this. Till the time you know the answer, right? Keep your hands up only. Yes, up here like this, like a rabbit. You need to keep your hands like this. So, Imon, that's not the right way. Imon, watch me like this. Yeah. Here, touch your head. Yes, good. Okay. Two of them are there. Now, Ungsang. Ungsang, keep your hands up so that I know you are not touching your copies, right? Okay. Can you tell me what means poly? Poly भनेको चाहिँ के हो exactly?
Many.
Many. अनि morphic भनेको?
To change itself.
To change itself. Morphic भनेको meaning आएन. साइन्समा पनि morphic भन्ने हुन्छ. Metamorphic, stone के रक्सहरु पढाएको छ नि, रक्सहरुको स्ट्रक्चरहरु हुन्छ नि, मेटामोर्फिक के मोर्फिक भन्ने स्टोन्सहरुको नाम हुन्छ साइन्स अनि सेडिमेन्टेसनमा भएको रक्सहरुको के रक्सको मेटामोर्फिक के भन्ने नाम आउँछ. सो मोर्फिक भनेको एक्ज्याक्टली मिनिङ चाहिँ. Rasmi, do you know?
So
Rasmi
to change itself.
No. Morphic भनेको मात्रै मिनिङ. Rasmi? Yeah, you can speak. I have unmuted you.
Morphic.
Keep your hands up like rabbit. Rasmi. Yeah.
Sir, what is poly? I will say okay.
Not now. I'll ask you. You don't know? Okay, I'm gonna tell you all guys. Hey, remember, hey, याद छैन भने फेरि पनि तपाईले हात उठाउनु पर्छ है. Poly means what? Many. Morphic भनेको structure. स्टोनहरुको मेटामोर्फिक भनेर यो स्टोनको स्ट्रक्चरहरु विभिन्न खालको फर्म भएको हुन्छ, त्यसलाई मोर्फिक भनेर स्ट्रक्चर भनेको हो. भाइरस पोलिमोर्फिक हो, ह्याभिङ मेनी स्ट्रक्चर हो. भाइरस जसको चाहिँ मेनी स्ट्रक्चर हुन्छ त्यसलाई नै पोलिमोर्फिक भाइरस भनिन्छ. भनेपछि भाइरस त एउटै हुन्छ, पछि आफूलाई नचिनोस् भनेर त्यसले आफ्नो शेप एन्ड साइज चेन्ज गर्छ. हो, त्यसलाई नै के भन्छ? पोलिमोर्फिक भाइरस भनिन्छ. So polymorphic virus is a type of a virus that can modify or create copies of modify copies of itself to avoid detection from antivirus. हो, एन्टिभाइरस बाट चाहिँ बाँच्नलाई हो आफ्नो मोडिफाई भर्सन गर्छ. जस्तो कि चोरहरुले नि त्यस्तै गर्छ. चोरले के गर्छ? हियर इज पासङ सर है, एउटा ल पासङ सर भन्ने एउटा थीफ हो, एकदम इन्टरनेशनल थीफ हो. अब इफ आई वान्ट टु रन अवे फ्रम नेपाल टु इन्डिया अर फ्रम युएसए के गर्नुपर्छ? मैले त मेरो फेस चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने सबैजनालाई थाहा छ कि ओके आई एम सो आई क्यान डु वाट फेस सर्जरी मेरो फेसको स्ट्रक्चर चेन्ज गर्न सक्छ आई माइट किप डु प्लास्टिक सर्जरी अफ शाहरुख खानको फेसलाई मैले के गर्न सक्छु प्लास्टिक सर्जरी गरेर आफ्नो फेस बनाउन सक्छु डु यु नो अबाउट द प्लास्टिक सर्जरी
No, sir.
प्लास्टिक सर्जरी भने थाहा छैन प्लास्टिक सर्जरी भनेको फेक फेस राख्न मिल्छ ल सो किप योर ह्यान्ड अप त्यो क्यामेरामा हैन इमोन
No, sir.
इमोन on your head
Yes, sir.
on your head like this that's your punishment yes now Imon turn hey Imon turn
Sir, my
your turn what means poly
many.
many
Poly means many.
morphic means
Sir, what?
morphic
Morphic? 1 minute, sir. Morphic. Polymorphic, yeah? Morphic. M-O-R-P-H-I-C. Morphic.
look you are not listening that means you are not listening you just keep your hands like this and it looks sweet on you hey? You look cute like this touch your head yeah good okay let's see Ungsang listen to Ungsang now yeah Ungsang you can tell me unmute yourself Ungsang okay he is not here okay fine then Rasmi you can tell me
Sir, structure.
structure morphic भनेको के रहेछ त structure
Structure.
Imon please keep your hands like this your turn will come don't worry hey Ungsang what means morphic means
Morphic means structure.
okay you can keep your hands down Ungsang and Rasmi you can keep your hands down okay Imon turn tell me the definition of polymorphic virus
Sir, I don't know.
you don't know keep your hands up yeah very good that means you didn't study eh
Sir,
I can say.
okay you can say tell me
Sir, what is polymorphic virus?
yes listen very carefully hey Imon
Polymorphic virus is a virus that modified its version. Polymorphic virus is a virus that copy itself to avoid detection of antivirus software.
okay that create a modified version of itself आफूलाई चेन्ज गर्छ modified version कपी डिट्टु आफ्नै बनाउँदैन आफू जस्तै डिट्टु बनायो भने त चिनिहाल्छन् पासङ सर सपोज थिफ हो रे चोर हो रे भन्दाखेरि पासङ सर जस्तै डुप्लिकेट बनायो भने भनेपछि मोडिफाइड भर्जन अर्कै भर्जन एउटा बुझ्नुभयो मोडिफाइड भर्जन सकिट किप योर ह्यान्ड्स डाउन okay Imon done I'm giving you one more chance Imon
Sir,
speak.
say.
What is polymorphic virus
Polymorphic virus is a virus.
yes is a virus
Polymorphic virus. Sir, look, my sister is disturbing me.
doesn't matter you tell the answer she knows you have missed some words it's fine
Polymorphic virus. Polymorphic virus is a virus.
yes it's a virus we know it's a virus keep your hands like this properly Imon. Like this okay very good okay he's gonna raise his hand let's see another hey Prasiddha you have to show your face
ऐसा नहीं थी
you need to show your face okay turn on camera okay Prasiddha I didn't see you okay we can see you okay Prasiddha turn hey so I'm gonna ask you one question okay what is program virus hands up
program virus is a virus which affect the executed files.
Okay, executive file. What means infect?
Infect. So to harm the devices.
ओके टु हार्म अर इन्फेक्ट भनेको केही न केही अब के हो हार्मै हो ओके टु इन्फेक्ट एक्जिक्युटेबल फाइल्स कस्तो खालको एक्जिक्युटेबल फाइल्स एक्जाम्पल्स
सर .com ए होइन के थियो यस अनि त्यसपछि किन SY समथिङ सर कतिवटा भने पुग्छ
दुईटा ओन्ली टु
सर एउटा भयो .com सम त्यो भयो अनि अर्को के थियो के सर एक्स सर I did not know.
Okay, you just keep your hands up. Hey, Imon internet is slow, so Imon is gonna write 20 times. I'll read for test. Okay, so I gave him many chance, so he was not able to answer the question. So he will be writing 20 times. I'll read for test. Right? Next time also I'll ask. Don't forget that. Right? Now, Suhan.
Sir,
What is program virus?
so the virus that infects executable files like with extensions like .com, .sys.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, let's see another question. Okay. Who is left? Subham, let me see you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open your face. Hey, Prasiddha, can you tell me the two extension? दुईटा extension के थियो तपाईको? Prasiddha.
Sir, my अर्को question.
Prasiddha. दुईटा extension के थियो? सुहानले भनिसक्यो. Prasiddha, tell me.
Sir .com अनि सुहानले के भने थियो? Yes, sir. SYS.
Yes.
Sir, SYS पनि
.sys भनेको सिस्टम फाइल है सिस्टम हो SYS को फुल फर्म सिस्टम हो .exe भनेको के हो त एक्जिक्युटेबल फाइल्स एक्जिक्युटेबललाई .exe भन्छ है ओके यु क्यान किप योर ह्यान्ड्स डाउन प्रसिद्ध है नाउ वेयर इज आवर शुभम रेडी किप योर ह्यान्ड्स अप
यस सर
सो व्हाट शुड आई आस्क यु है क्यान यु टेल मी द फुल फर्म अफ भाइरस शुभम
भाइरस देयर इज नो फुल फर्म नो सर There is no full form.
There was no full form? At the last, there was full form or not? Rasmi, there was
Yes,
full form.
sir.
There was full form, right? So, okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yesterday I was absent.
If you're absent, you know, I have returned the tasks on the messenger only. I have given the videos also. So
yesterday there was no internet only this also.
So till the morning also I said it's a test and I gave the presentation.
Mine also. I also saw that.
Okay. Subham, you keep your hands up only for a while. Listen to others. If you are able to catch the answer, hey, you can keep your hands down. Imon, what are you doing? Your internet is slow. Keep your hands up. Okay. So you all are being recorded. Hey? You can see later on, hey, to yourself and to your friends also, hey, later on. So it's all being recorded. Like last time, video will come. Right? Don't worry. So now, whose turn? Okay, Ung Sang. Ung Sang, can you tell me the full form of virus?
Vital information resources under seas.
What means vital? Vital को meaning क्या होता है exactly?
Important.
Important. Vital resources भने के हो?
Resources, supplies and
supplies है जे पनि हुन सक्छ है जस्तो कि हाम्रो पनि रिसोर्सेस नेचुरल रिसोर्सेसमा ट्रीजहरु पर्छ सोइल पर्छ वाटर पर्छ हैन रिसोर्सेस भाइटल रिसोर्सेस अनि अन्डर भनेको आफ्नो अन्डरमा भएको आफूसँग भएको सीज भनेको
is taken over
हो भाइरसको फुल फर्म के रहेछ त भाइटल इन्फर्मेसन yes resources under seas hey
sir what vital information
resources under seas
vital information under seas
you can keep your hands down okay Subham I'll call you after 5 minutes hey bhakkar you got the answer hey एकछिनमा सोध्छु whether you'll get it or not so Aniruddha keep your hands up Anirudra. Okay. Now for Anirudra. Okay, can you tell me what is multipartite virus?
Multi-typed virus is is a type of computer virus
Yeah.
that infects
Hmm.
the um, many files and folders.
I didn't understand. Tell me again, thoroughly.
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. Muskan. Muskan. Anirudra has passed. Yes. So it's your turn. So
Yes, sir.
Muskan, can you tell me?
So
Can you,
what?
can you tell me? Answer.
Of what, sir?
You didn't listen question?
It was not listening properly. You can tell me, sir.
Okay. What is multipartite virus?
What?
What is multipartite virus?
Hello?
We can hear you loud and clear. It doesn't work with us. Your brother might come out. I can join another meeting and he might come out. I know these tricks. Okay, because I am a computer teacher. Okay? So you can't use those tricks. Okay. Yeah. Muskan, start.
Yes, sir.
Or you want to freeze like this?
What was the question? I did not understand, sir.
What is multipartite virus?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Keep
Sir,
your hands
look.
up. Keep your hands up. Okay, good, Imon. Good, fine. Okay. Keep your hands on your head, on your nearby your ear. Yeah, good. We can see now. Okay, you look cute on that. Okay, two of them gone. Shuffle. What does
Yes, sir.
multipartite virus? What do you understand by
Sir,
it? Yeah.
multipartite virus are the virus that affects both application program and the boot sector of a system.
Okay. What does multi means?
Sir, multi means two or more.
Okay. What does partite means? Partite one. You word kunbar derive bako. Kunbar ako. Partite.
Sir, parts.
Parts. Hey, many parts. Hey, multipartite भनेको वर्ड कहाँबाट आएको मेनी पार्ट्स दैट इज मल्टी पार्ट हो मल्टिपल पार्ट्सलाई इन्फेक्ट गर्ने हुनाले मल्टिपार्टाइट आएको सो मल्टिपल पार्ट्स केलाई इन्फेक्ट गर्छ त मल्टिपल पार्ट भने एउटा बुट सेक्टरलाई इन्फेक्ट गर्छ अर्को एप्लिकेसनलाई इन्फेक्ट गर्छ सो इट्स कल्ड मल्टिपार्टाइट भाइरस
Multipartite.
very good answer you have studied okay Safal has studied now Muskan back to Muskan
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are ready. So, can you give me the definition of multipartite now? Just now, Safal Timalsana has given the answer.
What?
Okay.
I did not listen, sir.
You didn't listen. Very good. So, Muskan Lama is going to write 20 times. I'll read for test.
Sorry, sir.
So, now, you can keep your hands down, Muskan. Anirudra. You can start writing 20 times. Okay, Anirudra. So, can you tell me what is multipartite virus?
The type of virus that infects both applications and programs and in boot sector of a system.
Can you repeat again? Can you repeat again?
A type of virus that infects both files and programs and boot sector of the system.
One more time.
The type of virus that infects both applications and program and boot sector of a system.
Application, program and boot sector file is called है boot sector file ल्याएर केलाई इन्फेक्ट गर्छ त एप्लिकेसन प्रोग्राम एप्लिकेसन भनेकै सफ्टवेयरको नाम हो है दुईटा चीजलाई तपाईले एप्लिकेसन एन्ड प्रोग्राम भन्नुभयो के एन्ड यु कान्ट से okay keep your hands down okay now let's give chance to okay who is this Galaxy Note 9 can I see you Galaxy Note 9 can you on your video Galaxy Note 9 can you on your video Galaxy Note 9 can you on your video or change your name so it's not being done eh so okay let's go for Rajiv can you hear me yes you can speak I have unmuted you Rajiv speak can you speak yes okay this question is for Rajiv eh okay Rajiv, can you tell me what is worm virus? Keep your hands up, Rajiv.
Virus?
Yeah, worm virus. Keep your hands up. Yeah.
What virus?
Worm.
Worm virus?
Yeah. Okay, good. Keep your hands up only. I can see that you don't know about that. Very good. So, if you do not attend online classes, त्यस्तो पनि हुन्छ है नोट्स मात्रै भएर पनि बुझ्दैन है सरले कति कुरा एक्सप्लेन गरिरहेको हुन्छ इन्टरएक्टिभली so you need to attend online classes also है so keep your hands up until and unless you get the answer है answer नभेट्टाएसम्म है कसैले भन्छ answer अनि त्यसै सुनेर भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ विशेष
Yes, sir.
okay what if okay just now I asked what question I think I asked worm virus okay what is worm virus
Sir, worm virus. Sir, I don't know.
you don't know keep your hands up let's go for Muskan hands up Muskan
Yes, sir.
hands up
So ask one question first.
okay what is worm virus
So you should ask which I don't know. Why are you asking which I don't know?
I even don't know which you know tell me what is worm virus
Worm virus. Worm virus. I don't know, sir.
you don't know so you are going to write 20 times eh Muskan you are going to write 20 times I'll read for test eh it's very clear eh I'm going to write in group also eh in group Muskan 20 times I will read for test you'll click the photo and you'll send me eh okay
Only me.
yeah let's see if they both of them can't answer then again I'll ask them if they can't answer already who wrote our Imon already wrote and he showed me now it's your turn yeah he showed me just now okay now I want to ask to Rasmi what is worm virus Rasmi
Worm virus is a type of virus that can replicate itself and can spread to different computer via networks.
okay via the networks okay can you tell me what means replicates
Replicates mean duplicate
हो replicates भनेको आफ्नो डुप्लिकेट बनाउनु है जस्तो कि COVID-19 भाइरसले के गरेछ हुन त पहिला एक दुईवटा मात्रै भाइरस थियो COVID-19 भने माइट बी इन थाउजन्ड्स अब अहिले हेर्नुस् त लाखौं मिलियन्समा छ COVID-19 भाइरस because they created duplicate of themselves and infected many people so okay good very good है so हाम्रो worm virus भने are those kind of virus which can replicate themselves है replicate themselves okay Rajiv
Yes, sir.
yeah tell me the answer
Worm virus is a virus which duplicates itself.
Which duplicates itself.
Itself.
Okay, which can replicate itself, है? Which can replicate. आफ्नो एउटा copy भन्छ, which can create a copy of itself. Do you understand? Okay, keep your hands down. And who else was there? Who didn't give me the answer? Bishes, I think so. Bishes, did you give me the answer?
Me. So,
I'm going to
Subham.
Subham.
sir.
Okay, Subham. Okay, Subham,
Yes,
I want
sir.
to change the question. I want to change the question for you. So, can you give me the answer of what is email virus? Email virus.
Email virus.
Is it a new question for you? So good. Subham is also going to write
The
20.
virus that spreads through the internet.
Subham 20 times. I will do homework. I will read for test 20 times.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I've written in the chat. Subham also done. Okay. Now we have very less time. We just have 3 minutes. Remember that in another session or another period also, I might ask you. That means when I have the next class for you guys, computer class, I'm gonna ask you guys, so be prepared for that also. Right now, next time you have to write 40 times. I know money 40 times. Right now it's 20 times. Next time 40 times answer. So Rasmi, it's your turn. Okay, the question goes for you like this. What are the characteristics of virus?
Characteristics.
Yeah.
It destroys data, information, program. It load and run unwanted function application.
Okay, unwanted. It loads unwanted application. Another, you have told me two.
They can replicate.
Okay, they can replicate. That's good.
They use pirated software.
Okay, characteristic. They use pirated software. One is characteristic. Oh, virus ko character they use pirated software. Virus ले चाहिँ pirated software use गर्छ. Not logical. Characteristic भनेको behavior, character.
They attach to other files.
They attach themselves to other files. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, fine. Keep your hands down, Rasmi. Come on, it's your turn. Okay, last question. Just we have 1 minute and 40 minutes. Last question goes to our Iman. So he might be talking to his sister, right? Discussing with his sister. So let's ask him. Iman, ready? Unmute yourself. You don't want to answer? Okay, next time read and come, Iman. Okay, everyone, you can end now. Next time also, I might ask you. So it's better you read and come. Next time we are going to start new chapter that is called Introduction of Computer. Okay, next time we are going to start with Introduction of Computer. Right now, you can end the meeting. And this recording will be provided.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Video will be uploaded to YouTube. I'll be sending you guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye,
See you
bye.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.